Hello children, in today's class we are going to learn about one of the most important metropolitan cities of India. Then tell me, which is that children? Yes, Mumbai. Do you know what was the old name of Mumbai? Bombay. Old name of Mumbai was Bombay. It is located on the western coast of India, facing to Arabian Sea. Western coast of India facing to Arabian Sea. It is the financial capital of India. What is children? Financial capital. Which is the capital of India? Delhi, isn't it? New Delhi is the capital of India. Financial capital of India is Mumbai. Shall we go and see in details about Mumbai? Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. One of the most important metropolitan cities of India. Earlier it was known as Bombay. It is also called the financial capital of India. It developed as a major city of India under British rule. Delhi is the national capital territory of India and Mumbai is the financial capital of India. What was the old name of Mumbai children? Bombay. Now let us see the location of Mumbai. Now look at the picture children. You can see one side Arabian Sea, another side Bay of Bengal. Did you see? Arabian Sea is in the western side of India and Bay of Bengal is in the eastern side of India. Now see, we can very clearly see that Mumbai is in the western coast of India. It is located on the western coast of India facing to Arabian Sea. It has the busiest seaport in India. Ship carrying goods comes to Mumbai. They also carry goods from our country to other countries. People and language. People from all parts of India come to work in Mumbai. Most people living in Mumbai speak their own languages. Marathi is the main language of Mumbai. Which is the main language of Mumbai children? Marathi. Government. The offices of the Maharashtra state government are located in Mumbai. The governor, the chief minister, all ministers and government officers live here. Climate. The climate of Mumbai is neither too hot nor too cold, which means a moderate climate. Mumbai is having a moderate climate. Mumbai gets heavy rains during the rainy season in June, July and August. Being a coastal area, it is quite humid during summers and in the rainy season. Winters are pleasant. Industries. A number of industries are located in Mumbai. It has many big cotton textile mills. A large number of people work in these mills. There are other major industries which produce medicines, electronic goods, and edible oils. Bombay High, which is in the Arabian Sea, is one of the most important petroleum fields in India. So, Bombay High is one of the most important petroleum fields of India. Crude oil is taken out from here. This oil is refined and used for running vehicles and making many other products. So this is black color one, that is crude oil. Okay, next you see, this is refined and later we are putting into the vehicle. See the color changes. So it is clear, children. I hope today's class also is clear to you. Thank you.